It is TechGamer baby here, and I'm gonna show you how to get Spotify Premium Plus for free, and no jailbreak on iOS 12 and no computer. So first of all, go to Safari, search up App Valley, and then once you come here, do not hit the install button. Just double tap the app, and then it will show you the install. And then once after that, you go to General, Profiles and Device Management, find where it is, not there. Hit Trust, back out of home screen, and then now you can go back in the App Valley and let it go up. You might have an ad, so just be aware. So now you can see right here, featured Spotify Plus, but I'm gonna see there's an ad. Say there's always an ad, but once this ad, you hit close. And then you can go to apps, or you can do it right here, feature, or you go to tweet apps here. And then you can search up Spotify Plus, and it says no ads. You can Spotlight for life, and then you just hit get, hit install. Should be installing. Takes a while to install, so just be aware about that. Once installed, open it up. You probably don't need to trust it, but you might need to, so do the same thing I showed you on App Valley. And you hit thanks, or his name is, and then I'm already signed in on Facebook, but now I'm just gonna play a non-copyright song. So let's see. Your library song played. Go here and then just look up no sounds. There we go, to this one. There you go, and I'll play it. Should sound pretty good. And if you wanna go to settings here, you go Spotlight, and then you can enable it. Put the lyrics, not playing show mode. Clear it, play changes, reset, and you can have playback. Crossfade, autoplay, Stranger Things mode, stuff like that. Offline, podcast you downloaded, and then music quality you can put. Oh, right now it's on low, very high, and then you can put it down on very high. So now, if we audio sound you can find. So. So that should be the best sound you can have. So that is video, guys. Hope you guys subscribe and hit the like button.